Hi there, this is Paige with Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you my project for the collaboration I'm doing with my friend Jill, who is Jill May Creations here on YouTube. And we're calling it I'm calling it Crafting with Jill, and on her channel she's calling it Crafting with Paige. I will leave a link down below to her YouTube channel so you can check out her project. Each month we've been searching for a packaging idea that we can share with each other and with all of you that tune in. And so on the 25th we share the ideas that we found. So here is the packaging that I've discovered on YouTube. This was from Sam Calcott, who is Mixed Up Crafts. I believe she calls it a drop-down box, if I remember correctly. I don't have my notes in front of me again. I'm so bad at that. But anyway, when you lift off the lid, these boxes will fall down or come down, and so you can put little kind of gifts in there, whether they're little sweet treats or crafty treats or rolled up slippers and socks or whatever you want to include. And then here's a little envelope where you could slide in a gift card if you wanted to. And then in this space right here you could add a plain piece of cardstock to stamp or write an additional message. But these little boxes just have I used transparencies to make the lid that just slides inside and keeps everything in place. And then you just fold up the sides and place the lid on, and there is your gift box. I will look for the video tutorial that I followed to make this box, and I'll leave that down below in the description box. I don't have it decorated on the outside yet, but for one of my collabs earlier this month, my Feeling Punchy collab with my friend Linda, I had used these bow stamps and matching punch gift wrapped from Stampin' Up, and I had made some bows with real red cardstock, which looks really nice. I also did some in green, but the green doesn't match the green of this. But some were embossed with Versamark ink and clear embossing powder, and then the matching ones were also embossed then with Versamark ink and gold embossing powder. So I thought any of these would look cute on this box to decorate it when I get to that point. But anyway, not a difficult project to make at all, and if you know Sam, you know her directions are always immaculate and so easy to follow. So I will try to leave a link to that video down below if you're interested in making this, and also there'll be a link to Jill's channel so you can see what packaging idea she found. And I'd like to thank all of you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.